Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling remote login on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. Then choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, choose Sharing. In the left sidebar menu, check the checkbox to the left of Remote Login. The Mac can now be remotely logged into via SSH. You can check the checkbox to allow full disk access for remote users. You can allow access for all users or only specific users. To select specific users, click the plus icon and choose the user you would like to allow access to. You can remove access from users by selecting them here and then tapping the minus icon. You can disable remote login by unchecking the checkbox to the left of remote login in the left sidebar. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.